So this journey has been amazing. I have learned so many new things, and I can't believe it's already over, to be honest. D has helped me with so much. My knowledge for dance has grown. Um, I never learned jazz or contemporary, and Siri was the first teacher who I learned jazz and contemporary from, and it was amazing. I absolutely loved it. Um, it was also amazing to see the others' dances because it really encouraged me to do better, to change something, to improve the dance. For example, every time Advika sent her video, I'm like, I've got to watch it before I send mine, or I've got to watch it and then incorporate it in my next portfolio. And then I would see it and I'd be like, wait, she did that. Okay, well, that's what I'm gonna do now. Siri has also helped me with some stunts. For example, my knee bridge, it's gotten so much better because of her. Um, and something else that's really been amazing about this class is how I'm so comfortable speaking like what I honestly think. In this class, it's not judgmental at all, which is something I really appreciate. The choreographies were amazing. I really enjoyed learning them. And yeah, it's been an amazing journey, and I hope that Open House will get City to do another class because it's one of the best classes that I've ever been a part of. So yeah, thank you so much for this journey, City and Disha. I really enjoyed it.